At TruckerZoom, users can toggle between three types of dispatch boards: legacy, turbo, and linear. This is the legacy board. Expanded routes are in-progress routes. Collapsed routes are completed routes. Delivery order, quote, accounts receivable invoice, payment to the receivable invoice, weekly driver weekly settlement, and payment to the weekly settlement that was paid with two payments. Proof of delivery, driver pane. Each red bar means that the driver has already been assigned to a route of 50 miles. 3 red bars can be anything between 100 and 150 miles. Drill down to delivery orders. Driver compliance card. Driver historical activities in chronological order. Drill down to delivery order. I now toggle to the turbo dispatch board, which is more suitable for larger fleets because it shows routes in a more compact view. We use calendar icon to show the progress of the stops. One stop is approved, another stop, one third of the stops are submitted by the drivers and pending approval by dispatchers, and one third of the stops in the route are yet to be submitted by the driver. And this is the document icon that shows the progress of the uploaded documents that the driver needs to submit. These are incompleted routes, completed routes, types of routes, additional filters. From here, I can arrange the way that the driver views routes on his mobile phone. So I want the driver to first see 1913. This is how I do it. Now, if I'm a dispatcher and I only want to focus on the drivers that have been assigned to me, then I can click on View My Drivers Only, and I trim down the driver pane to My Drivers Only, and I also trim down the dispatch board to the routes assigned to my drivers, to the unassigned routes that could potentially be assigned to my drivers, and to the routes brokered out. Finally, we have the linear dispatch board, which is XMap product. The linear board is a mirror of the tabular dispatch board. I can click on the line, on the route line, and I view the load card. This is the XMap low card, which is the delivery order per XMap. And this is the raw delivery order from the tabular dispatch board that translates into the XMap low card. So this is the pre-pull. So we have actual times because this pre-pull was already completed by driver Elin Navarro on 4/23. We are now viewing calendar day 4/24. We are on 4/24, and this is where the truck is located now, between the load pickup and deliver to consignee, which is exactly where the truck is now. And we now have an estimated time, and here we have route 3, which is DMBT return to the depot. This is the raw delivery order. The linear map can be synced with DLD. And since the system computes a total estimated completion time for each route and assigns estimated arrival time to each stop within the route, we now have the basis for algorithmic dispatch.